Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of natural anti-aging with a rejuvenating face massage routine. Trust me, this is the secret to turning back the clock and maintaining that youthful, radiant glow. So if you're ready to say goodbye to fine lines, wrinkles, and hello to a more youthful you, let's get started. Before we jump into the massage, let's talk about some amazing tools that can enhance the experience. You don't necessarily need them, but they do add a luxurious touch. Jade roller, gouache tool, and a simple oil for lubrication. Begin by applying a small amount of your preferred facial oil or serum to your freshly cleansed face. This will help the tools glide smoothly and provide extra nourishment for your skin. 1. Forehead massage. To begin, gently massage your forehead with your fingertips, moving them upward and outward. This action helps relax the muscles and diminish forehead lines. 2. Temple massage. Now go to your temples and softly press in a circular motion. This releases tension and can even alleviate headaches. 3. Cheekbone lift. Now let's lift those cheekbones. Use your fingers to stroke upwards from your cheeks towards your temples. This promotes circulation and helps with sagging skin. 4. Under eye reviver. To tackle those bothersome under eye bags and puffiness, you can either use a cool jade roller or simply use your fingertips. Gently roll or tap inwards, starting from the inner corners of your eyes. 5. Jawline contour. To give your jawline a more defined look, try using a gouache tool or simply use your knuckles to massage upwards along your jaw. This tightens the skin and reduces the appearance of jowls. 6. Neck. Remember your neck as well. It can also show signs of aging. Gently massage upwards to maintain firmness and a youthful look. Now let's consider some helpful pointers for a successful facial massage. Be gentle. Your skin is delicate, so avoid applying too much pressure. Consistency is key. Try to incorporate this routine into your skincare regimen a few times a week. Use clean tools. Make sure your massage tools are clean to avoid any skin issues. Stay hydrated. To maintain moisture in your skin, make sure to stay hydrated by drinking lots of water. Be patient. Achieving results might require some time, so don't be disheartened. And there you have it, lovelies, a rejuvenating anti-aging face massage that you can easily incorporate into your skincare routine. Remember, it's not just about looking young, but feeling confident and embracing your beauty at every stage of life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our beauty and wellness tips. Stay fabulous, and I'll see you in the next video.